welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about how to use MSM for massive hair growth, and I'm going to share with you some effective methods that have been tried and tested using MSM powder. Now you can get this wonderful powder in the health food store. It is also used as a supplement for helping with the joint pain, for helping with skin and nail health as well. So I'm excited to share with you the powerful ways you can start using MSM to specifically stimulate hair growth. If you're ready to transform your hair health, whatever type of hair you have, this applies for you. Let's dive right in. So what is MSM and its role in the hair growth? MSM is a vital supplement that provides the essential sulfur that you need for your body to release healthy collagen and keratin production, both crucial for great hair growth as well and hair health. Additionally, MSM is also believed to naturally extend the hair growth phase, promoting longer and stronger locks. The first way to use MSM is in a DIY MSM leave-in spray, and all you would need to get started is plain water as well as MSM. Now you could use capsules, just open up the capsules, but please make sure it is 100% pure. You start by opening 2 MSM capsules, or alternatively you can use half a teaspoon of MSM powder, and then you mix that powder with the water in a spray bottle and then lightly spray your hair with the MSM infused water as a leave-in. You will also follow up with your favorite hair oil or hair butter. The second way to use MSM for the hair is by creating an enriched hair growth oil with MSM. Now the ingredients that you would need is olive oil, or whatever preferred oil that you choose, your hair oil, as well as MSM. Now you could use capsules or the powder. You open 2 MSM capsules, you mix the powder with your chosen hair oil. Then as an option, you could also warm up the oil, because that really helps to create a soothing hot oil treatment. And you can apply the MSM infused oil to your scalp at least 2 to 3 times a week. And the last way to use MSM is to create an amazing deep conditioner for your hair. Now in order to get started, you would need your deep conditioner, whatever product that you use, preferably a natural one, and you would need MSM. You can open 2 MSM capsules, blend the powder into your deep conditioner. The reason I say blend is because MSM tends to be forming a little bit of a smaller pellet, so you want to make sure it's all combined together. You start with a 1/4 teaspoon if you're using MSM powder directly, and then you gradually increase to 1 teaspoon. So that's if you don't have the capsules. Then you can apply the MSM enriched deep conditioner, apply it to your hair. I want you to focus specifically on the roots and on the ends, and you can leave the conditioner on for your preferred duration, whether using a shower cap, also a steamer, or you can leave it for an overnight treatment. Now please make sure that before you try to apply MSM topically, whether it's on the skin or hair, to always do a patch test. And I've talked specifically in a video that I made on the channel last week on how to correctly do a patch test on the skin or scalp. You can go ahead and watch that video, linked in the description box below.